I've created this infomercial to help people fix punctures, and as a community we should stick together and encourage each other, even with the simple tasks, and that can be hard tasks too. This is a real life scenario that anyone and everyone has been through and could go through. Bye, Timmy. Timmy's going out with a friend that he met online. Oh no! It looks like Timmy's encountered the dreaded puncture. Uh-oh, double puncture. What are you going to do, Timmy? What's that? You have a plan? What's that? And that? Oh, you're going to try and fix the puncture. You have to turn the bike over? Well, let's do this in easy steps so our viewers can see the steps easily. Do you have that rag you carry around? Magic for very occasions like this? You do? Magic. Okay, Timmy, commence step 1. Place the rag on the floor because we're about to turn the bike upside. Turn the bike upside down. Get a firm grip on the fork and the metal thing at the back. Now put the seat and the handlebars on the rag as not to scuff your precious pride and joy. Reposition for easy access. Double check that it's flat. Yes. Now, Timmy, you have 2 choices. Take the inner tube out while it's still on the bike, or you're going to take the wheel off. Good choice. That means easy access. Right, remember the kinetic way to take the wheel off. That's right, get down and low. Don't forget, Timmy, leverage. It will make the job easier, quicker and faster. Now let's undo the through bolt axle bolt. That's right, a firm grip and slowly turn. Excellent. You can do this when you're outside or inside. Finish off by hand. Uh-oh, we need a tyre lever. Do you have one? It's a good job that every time you bought a bike part online, to be eligible for the free postage, you had to buy something and add it to your basket. Now you've got a drawer full of tyre levers.
Smart!
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 Smart! Select your favourite, or the thinnest, because it's a skinny tyre. That's called a dust cap. Remove it. And remove that screwy on thing too. Don't forget, put both of them somewhere safe. Now stick your tyre lever into the tyre, but don't do it by the valve in case you pinch the inner tube and do another puncture, and pinches by the valve are terrible. Move. make sure the tyre is off the bead. That just means that it is it's off the bead. Be very careful not to pinch the inner tube with the tyre lever, because that would be bad.
Well, that would be bad.
Double check the tyre is off the bead. Hey, why don't you try a different colour tyre lever? Try it from the other side. Try two.
Let's call Commissioner Gordon and wrap this up.
Well done, Timmy. Now take the inner tube out, and remember, take it out of the opposite side of the valve. If we damage by the valve, we're in a world of hurt.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Now pull out. Whoa! Scared me then. Careful, careful. Pop a bit of air in. Whoosh. Ding! Right hole. Whoosh. Now let's look for the cause of our strife. But she's gone to work, so let's look for the hole. I like to give it a quick visual search. And if that fails, I like to pop it up to my ear to see if I can hear a hiss. And if that fails, I like to pop it gently towards my mouth. And if I feel a gentle caress of the escaping air upon my person, then I know I found the culprit. Any luck?
No.
Oh, that's okay. We'll just do the water bowl method again. Say, that's your mum's favourite slow cooker. What? She's not in? Proceed. Add leaves for drama.
Ding dong merrily and high.
Excellent, Timmy. See if there's any more. No, silly Timmy, you haven't got two. That's the same one. You just went round twice. Uh-oh. Potentially the pre-packed glue patch previously placed there is perforated. You're going to have to take it off. All off. Usually we would mark where the hole is with a yellow crayon, but on this occasion it's dead in the centre of the old patch. So all we have to do is sand it down and put a fresh patch on. Time saving. And the great news is, these new fancy schmancy patches don't need any vulcanizing rubber solution.
Headlights glow, they drive along. Feel the rumble, something's gone wrong. Pull to the side, rain coming down. Tires deflated, stuck out of town. Grip the wrench, take a breath. Gonna fix it, no regrets. Patching it up on the roadside. Hands on the tight rubber slide. Spinning the wheel, getting by, no stopping for a punctured night. Don't slow down and keep on. Move on, keep strong. Pressure drops low, I pull over. Out come the tools from the cover, searching for the leak. Feel the air sting, seal it up, ready for anything. Every mile, every turn, I'll fix it up, let the engine burn. Patching it up on the roadside, hands on the tire rubber slide. Spinning the wheel, getting by, no stopping for a punctured night. Don't slow down, keep on, move on, keep strong.
What an upstanding job, Timothy. The next thing we have to do is check the inside of the tyre for protruding objects or sharp objects. This is best done by caressing the inside with our bare skin, as we may not feel a prick.
Getting it in, sticking it in, putting it in, gentle, tenderly. Wrap it up, hold me close, give me all your energy. Love me, feel me, need me, want me, just let your soul break free. Getting it in, sticking it in, putting it in, gentle, tenderly. Oh baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Reach for my hand, let the midnight hours near. Whisper your truth, make intentions crystal clear. Every soft moment you bring me closer still. Eyes wide open, all this passion can't conceal. Lay your heart right next to mine. We don't have to rush or hide. Take your time, let's savor what we find. Getting it in, sticking it in, putting it in, gentle, tenderly. Wrap it up, hold me close, give me all your energy. Love me, feel me, need me, want me, just let your soul break free. Getting it in, sticking it in, putting it gentle, tenderly. Oh, oh, baby, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, take a breath, let it flow, let our rhythm unwind. Soft on your skin, your heartbeat tells me it's time. Slow moves melt us, surrender under the night. Every touch says it's real. Hold on tight, yeah. Putting it in, sticking it in, putting it in, gentle, tenderly. Wrap it up, hold me close, give me all your energy. Love me, feel me, need me, want me, just let your soul break free.
Want me, just let your soul break free. Getting it in, sticking it in, putting it in. Get. Well done, Timmy. That's correct, Timmy. Now the reassembly. We're putting it back together. Sticking it in, putting it in. Sorry. Leverage. You're breathing louder than Darth Vader with asthma there, Timmy. You only put a wheel on. Well done. Now all you have to do is pump it up. And don't forget to check if it's got the right air pressure by giving it a few swift karate chops. Now all you have to do is start all over again for the rear. What's that, Timmy? You've spent so long doing your punctures. It's night time? Never mind. Maybe you can go out tomorrow.